Not anymore. I'm holding on to all the pieces of my heart to be. Till it's time, I'll pull it together and fix myself eventually. I know it's mine. I found gold in the wreckage, put it on a necklace, keeping it 'cause I know that it's mine. I wear it like a message, so I don't forget it. Keeping it 'cause I know that it's mine.
5,
That it's mine,
4,
no matter
3,
what I do.
2,
I know that it's
1.
mine, whether I win or lose. And even though my heart needs to take its time, I know that it's mine.